Hello and welcome to the latest MorfittSmith video viewing. Today we are at apartment 33, Croft Works.
We are MorfittSmith and we are dedicated to keeping you safe during COVID-19.
Hi, I'm Rob and welcome to the latest MorfittSmith video viewing. Today we're at Croft Works. Croft Works is a development of purpose-built and converted apartments right in the heart of the city centre, about equal distance from the city centre itself and also Kelham Island. The city centre offers, as you can imagine, loads of shops, bars, restaurants and good transport links, as well as the Shalesmoor tram stop being only a few minutes walk away, offering further good transport facilities. Kelham Island is great as well, really up and coming part of the city centre, really fashionable and lots of cool bars and restaurants available there too. Let's go take a look at the apartments. So here we are on the 4th floor. Let's go take a look at apartment 33. The first room we come to is the entrance hallway. Decent size with your intercom entry phone and a little cupboard which houses the water cylinder for your hot water. And then we go straight into the studio space. Obviously all open plan, but decent size with enough space for your bed, sofa, TV and your kitchen area. Nice big bright windows, loads of natural light. And the kitchen, as you can see, comes with built-in oven and hob, fridge and wash machine. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. So back into the hallway. Into the bathroom. Decent sized bathroom, to be fair, for a studio apartment. Modern white suite, shower over the bath as well. Clean, tidy, functional. Not more you can ask for. So this was apartment 33 Croft Works, a fantastic studio apartment, great investment opportunity. The expected yield is around 8% based on a rent of £500 per calendar month and the current sales price. For more information on this property or any others, please go to our website morfittsmith.co.uk. I'm Rob, we are MorfittSmith.
If you are interested in buying or renting any of the properties we have available, you can find us online at morfittsmith.co.uk, by email, by phone or messenger. Stay safe, Sheffield.